This is everyone's favorite thing to do, sanding. I've got some tips for you. There really isn't a whole lot of science to the actual sanding portion of things. You start off with a lower grit, you end up with a higher grit. The lower the number, the rougher the sandpaper. The higher the number, the finer the sandpaper. Typically speaking, most projects don't require the crazy high-end grits. You can start off with 100 or 120, work up to a 150, and finish at, 180 to 220. That's the typical sanding process for most people. Where things get a little bit sciencey, I said there was no science, but I lied, is are you using a water-based finish on your product when you're done? If you are using a water-based product, and even if you're not, you can do what's called a water pop. You sand up, and in between grits, you give literally just a little spray of water over your whole project, and it's gonna raise up the fibers. And you're saying, why would you want to do that? Well, because by raising those fibers, when you sand, it becomes even more smooth with the next round. If you don't spray, you'll still get a really nice finish, but if you want to make it the best finish possible, add that water pop in there, it'll be primo. If you don't water pop your project and you put a finish on there that is water-based, you'll end up raising those fibers then, and your finish won't be as smooth as you want it to be. Sanding process is not as hard as people think it is. Those are some tips. Have a good time.